So when I first got the motor, I took it apart to see if I could find the source of that clicking. The clicking was electronic noise, but I noticed that there was lots of grease, green grease, all over the inside of all over the bearing and all over the pocket on the end bells on both sides, and I just assumed that was some kind of grease to slip the bearing in, but actually I'm thinking that might be grease that's leaked out from the bearings from wherever this motor was stored before I bought it. But anyway, the top bearing feels okay, but the drive bearing, when you turn the rotor, let me see if I can turn off that dehumidifier so you can hear it. Okay. It's not too bad, but you can kind of hear it doesn't sound good, so I think that bearing is bad. So I'm going to try to replace those.